Let's take a closer look at Tesla and analyze the correlation between the stock price and the price to earnings. There are some interesting historical events, and it gives us a clue about the future and where this company is headed. So, as you can see in the bottom graph here on macro trends, we have the price to earnings ratio. And since this company was unprofitable for such a long time while it was growing, building out factories, Elon was on television, they were close to bankruptcy a few times. But then, here in the early stages of the pandemic, so to say, we can see price to earnings ratio absolutely exploding upwards as the company becomes profitable and people think that, oh, it's a high stock price. What happens? Share price continues to grow and price to earnings continue to increase even further as the market continues to price in great future growth prospects. But then the stock price starts to flatten a bit while the company continues to perform well and be more profitable. So we can see price to earnings dropping, and when it was over 1000, I remember a lot of the television personalities such as Jim Cramer pointing this out, it's way too high. And Tesla is a love-hate stock for a lot of people. But as you can see here, stock price continues to be about flat while earnings continue to increase, so thus price to earnings is falling. And we can see a trend here with the company becoming more profitable relative to what you pay for it. And with the recent drop here, it's below 60. So if the company can continue to execute great growth and continue to deliver on profitability, then this stock price for Tesla right now is indeed very cheap. However, if the company stagnates and growth slows down to same as the rest of the market, well, then they should have a price to earnings of about a little bit below 20, and the stock should be trading a lot lower. So we're at a bit of a crossroads here. If the company can continue to deliver, continue to grow earnings and revenue, then Tesla stock is very cheap right now. But it's also interesting to see all this uncertainty in the market and thinking about how it will affect Tesla stock price going further. I'm thinking especially now with Musk taking over Twitter. I think that a lot of investors might be worried that this will consume a lot of time that he maybe could put better to use in Tesla, driving innovation, coming up with new ways to be more profitable, to grow more. So this uncertainty, I think, will certainly affect stock price going forward, and Tesla stock could go either way right now. It's a very interesting case to follow along. It's a stock, a company that a lot of people know, that a lot of people love, myself included, will definitely get a Tesla at some point. I think their products are absolutely amazing. As for the stock, well, the future will tell. This will be an interesting one. Anyways, that's been it, covering the relationship here between price to earnings and stock price for Tesla. Hopefully you found some of this knowledge helpful in your own analysis when you try to see what trend the company is going towards. And as always, hope you make a ton of money, whatever investments you decide to make. Take care now. Bye bye.